First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 9 on the topic number system, so now we are going to solve 6 to 9 question, that is miscellaneous question on this topic. So friends, this will be the last lesson of the topic number system. So always remember one thing, number system is the basics for quantitative aptitude. You have to learn all these 9 lessons, and then if you start preparing quantitative aptitude section, so definitely you will feel easy. So this number system topic does not contains any formula. You have to read the question twice or thrice, and you need to frame the own equation, and then you have to start solving the question. Got it? So this will be the logic of number system topic. So we have learned a lot of basics and we have solved some of the important concepts on the topic number system. So this will be the last lesson, that is miscellaneous questions. So let me move on to all the question that is on the topic number system. Question number 1. So a person gives 1/4 of his property to his daughter, 1/2 to his son, and 1/5 for the charity. How much he has given away? So when see here, simple question, right? So a person is giving a fraction of things to some person, 1/4 to his daughter, right? So 1/4 part to his daughter, and next is 1/2 part is to his son, and the last is 1/5 part for the charity. So what is our target? Our target is to find how much part he has been given away. Just see, very simple, right? We know that this is the part that the person had given for his daughter and the son and the charity. So if you add all the three, then the resultant will be the total part that he given away. Got it? So let me take what is the LCM here. So LCM will be 20. So 5 4s are 20. Then 10 2s are 20. Again 4. So 19/20. Got it or not? Right? So 19/20 part he had given away. It's a very simple question. Question number 2. So in an office there are 108 tables and 132 chairs. If 1/6 of the tables and 1/4 of the chairs are broken, how many people can work in an office if each person requires 1 table and 1 chair? So friends, listen here. So first try to understand the question properly. What are all the numbers they have given? See, in an office there are 108 tables, right? Total tables will be 108. And total chair is how much? 132 chairs. So out of this 108 table, how many tables are defective? 1/6 of the tables are broken. So let me find how much tables are good and how much table are broken. Got it? So see here, out of this 108, according to the question, what they have said, 1/6. So 1/6 of the tables were broken. So let me find what is 1/6 of 108. So we can cancel this. 1 6 are 6. Remaining will be 448. 8 6 are 48. So 18. So totally out of this 108 table, 18 tables were broken. Got it or not, right? So subtract 108 and 18. So totally there are good tables will be 90. So 90 tables that are unbroken. Got it? So next let me move on to the chairs. So out of this 132 chairs, 1/4 of the chairs were broken, right? So let me find what is 1/4 of 132. So 132, 1/4. So we can cancel it. 4 3s are 12. Remaining will be 1. Again 4 3s are 12, 33. So out of this 33 chairs are broken. So subtract 132 minus 33. So resultant will be 99. So 99 will be unbroken chairs and 90 will be unbroken tables. So now what is our target? How many people can work in the office if each person requires 1 table and 1 chair? See here, each person requires 1 table and 1 chair. Got it? So our target is to find how many person can work in the office. So totally we have 90 tables and 99 chairs, but each person require 1 table and 1 chair. So finally we can say that in that office totally 90 employees can be accompanied. Yes or no? Because 90 tables are there. You cannot accompany 91 person because each person require 1 table and 1 chair. So finally we can say that 90 people, that is 90 people can work in that office. So answer for this question number 2 is 90. Question number 3. So in a school, 1/10 of the boys are same in number as 1/4 of the girls. The ratio of boy to the girl in that school is. So friends, listen here, the question is very simple. In the school, right, in the school 1/10 of the boys are same. See, 1 by 10th of the boys. We don't know how many boys are there in the school. So let me take boys as x. Similarly, in the school, girls was unknown. So let me take total number of girls will be y and total number of boys will be x. So now according to the question, 1 by 10th of the boys, right? Out of this boys, 1 by 10th is same as out of girls. How many girls? 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th of the girls will be same. So friends, understood or not how I wrote this equation? If you can able to understand this equation, then the complete question will be easy. Just see here, according to the question, we don't know how many total boys are there, how many total girls are there. So let me assume boys as x and girls as y. So now in the question, what they are saying is 1 by 10th of the boys are same in numbers. So out of this boys, 1 by 10th will be same is equal to out of girls 1 by 4th. So both the numbers will be same. So that's the reason I have equated it. So now what is the target? Our target to find the ratio of boys and girls to the school. Now it is easy, right? We can calculate this as x by 10 is equals to y by 4. So bring y towards denominator. So x by y is equals to 10 by 4. So cancel it on 2 table. So x by y will be 5 by 2. So finally we can say that the ratio of boys and girls in the school will be 5:2. So which will be the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. So 2 baskets together have 640 oranges. If 1 by 5 of the oranges in the first basket to be taken out to the second basket. So the number of oranges in the first basket is. So friends, listen here. So what they are saying is totally we have 2 baskets, and the 2 basket, the total number of oranges is how much? 640. So now what they are doing is from the first basket, 1 by 5 of the oranges has been taken out and added to the second basket. So our target is to find what will be the total number of oranges in the first basket. See here friends, first we initially don't know how many oranges are there in basket 1 and basket 2, right? So first what we can do here is total number of oranges in basket 1 will be x. So let me take total number of oranges in basket 1 is x. What about basket number 2? Just listen here. If there are, assume that totally we have 640 oranges. According to the question, how many oranges are there? 640. In case if 400 oranges are in basket 1, example I am saying, out of this 640, if 400 are in basket 1, what about the remaining 240 will be in basket number 2? Yes or no? Only then we can say the total number of oranges will be 640. In case if we kept x as basket 1, total number of oranges in basket 1 is unknown, then 640 minus x will be in the second basket. So friends, understood this logic, how I wrote this? So this will be the most important area in this question. See, out of this 640, we don't know in basket number 1 how many oranges are there. Then the remaining oranges except in basket 1 will be in basket 2. So 640 minus x will be the total number of oranges in basket number 2. So friends, got it or not? Understood how I wrote this? Second step. According to the question, what they are saying, from this basket number 1, x, from this basket number 1, how many part of oranges has been taken out? 1 by 5 part. So minus of, because they are taken out, minus of 1 by 5 into x. Got the logic or not? From basket 1, 1 by 5 of the oranges has been taken out. So only I have subtracted. Equals to, so now what they are doing is, the oranges which they have taken out from basket 1, they are adding to basket number 2. So basket number 2, how many oranges are there? 640 minus x. So in this bag, they are adding this oranges, that is x by 5. So friends, understood how I wrote this equation? So if you can able to understand it, then solving the complete question will be very simple. So in this basket number 1, they have taken 1 by 5 part of the oranges. So only I have subtracted it. In case if they are adding 1 by 5 part, then you have to add here. Because they have taking some oranges from this bag number 1, so we are subtracting. That is x by 5 of the oranges has been taken out from bag 1. And same x by 5 of the oranges, they are adding in bag number 2. So that's the reason I have added x by 5. So 640 minus x will be the total number of oranges in bag 2, and x will be the total number of oranges in bag 1. So now let me find what is the value of x. So what we can do here is, so 5x minus x will be 4x. So 4x by 5 is equals to, so similarly 640 minus of So let me do one thing. See, minus x minus 5x plus will be minus 4x. So divided by 5. So you need to multiply 5 here. Got it? So now let me bring 4x, or we can cancel 5 and 5 here. So resultant will be 8x. So 8x is equals to 640 into 5. So cancel it. 8 8s are 64, that is 80. So x will be 400. So 400 will be the total number of oranges in bag number 1. Got it? So what is our target? Our target is to find the number of oranges in the first bag. In the first bag we have assumed as x. So 400 will be the total number of oranges in the first bag. So friends, understood or not? So very easiest question. This was the question they have asked in staff selection exam. So see how easy it is. You have to understand two important concepts, how I wrote this and how I wrote the equation. So once you practice more question, you automatically you too can able to write this equation easily. So finally answer for question number 4, total number of oranges in the first bag will be 400. Question number 5. So 1 by 10th of the rod is colored red, 1 by 20 orange, 1 by 30 yellow, 1 by 40 green, 1 by 50 blue, 1 by 60 black, and the rest will be in violet. So if the length of the violet portion of the rod is 12.08 meters, then the length of the rod is. So when listen here, what is our target? Our ultimate goal is to find the length of the rod, right? So now what is it? Let me keep this length of the rod will be x, because the length of the rod is unknown. But according to the question, what they are saying is, let me assume this is a rod, right? So in this rod, 1 by 10th of the portion is colored red. So this area will be colored red. So similarly, they are coloring some of the portions out of this rod in a different colors. For example, red. What are all the colors? Orange, yellow, green, and then blue, black. And finally, you can able to see the rest of the portion, right? In some portion has been colored in which color? Violet color. And this violet area, they have given us 12.08 meters. So this violet area alone is 12.08 meters. So now what is our target? Our target is to find the total length of the rod. So friends, again I am saying these types of questions can be solved by various methods. Either you can solve by using a shortcut, or you can able to solve by looking at the options. There are various methods, but here I am going to teach you only the traditional method. In future videos, definitely I will teach you all the shortcuts, but always learn the basics and traditional method, right? So friends, see here, we know that this will be the length of the rod. Out of total rod, a portion has been colored by different colors, and finally the violet region alone is 12.08 meters. Just see how I am writing. The total rod is x minus of, if I subtract from the total rod, if I subtract all these colors, then resultant will be violet. Yes or no? Got it? From the total rod, right? From the total rod, if I subtract all these colors, then the resultant will be the violet color. So from the total, I am going to subtract how much red it is? X by 10. X by 10 of the portion is colored red. And similarly, x by 20 is colored in what color? Orange. So similarly, x by 30 yellow, x by 40 is green, and x by 50 is blue, and last will be x by 60 will be black. So resultant will be the violet color, which is 12.08. So friends, understood or not? From the total length of the rod, if I subtract all these colors, then the resultant will be violet color. So now it is easy to find what is the value of x. So take the LCM. So 60, 50, 40. So LCM will be 600, I think so. Yes, 600 will be LCM. Take x outside. So if you take x outside, then the resultant will be 1 minus of. So this will be LCM. We have to take LCM, right? So this will be 60. Yes. So 60 here. Okay. So 60, and this will be 30. So this will be 20. And similarly it goes on. I think total will be 147, right? So this total, if you add and see, you will get an answer as 147 is equals to 12.08. So x is equals to, so subtract 600 minus 147 will be 453. So 453, so divided by 600 is equals to 12.08. So x is equals to 12.08 into 600, so divided by 453. So here you have one decimal point, so we can cancel this decimal point and 2 zeros here. So finally we can say that x is equals to 1208 into 6 divided by 453. So you can cancel this on 3 table 1 times, so x will be 16. That's it. So finally we got the answer. The value of x will be 16 meter, which will be the length of the rod. Got it, friends? So I know that this is a lengthy process. Definitely it's a lengthy process. So here we are going to learn the traditional method. Again I am saying you have to know all these logics. Every time you can't able to use the shortcut in the exams. Got it? Even while learning some of the topics in quantitative aptitude, try to learn the traditional method. Right? And then after you are strong in the traditional, you can go with any shortcut as you wish. But initially learn the traditional method. I will teach you all the shortcut for this question in the later on videos, but learn the traditional method. Don't always depend on the shortcut. Got it, friends? So finally answer for question number 5. The length of the rod is 16 meter. Question number 6. A man read 2/5 of the book on the first day. He read 1/3 more on the second day than he read on the first day. 15 pages are left on the third day. The number of pages in the book is. So what is our target? Our target is to find the total number of pages in the book. So let me assume that the total number of pages in the book is x. So our target is to find what is the value of x. So totally the total pages the man is reading for 3 days. So first day what he is doing, a man read 2/5 of the book on the first day. So out of this x, 2/5 has been read on the first day. So this can be written as 2x divided by 5. Yes or no? So friends, understood? Our first day, out of this total number of pages on the book, 2/5 on the first day. He read 2/5 on the first day. And this will be for the first day. Understood? So first day, the total number of pages that was read by that man. Second day, what they are saying is, he read 1/3 more. Got it? Listen carefully. 1/3 of the book, 1/3 of the book more what he read on the first day. Actually in the first day what he is doing, 2x/5 he read on the first day. So out of this 2x/5 he is additionally reading 1/3 more. So what you need to do, so plus, just listen here, 2x/5 into 1/3. Got it? So this complete part will be on the second day. And the third day 15 pages were left. So if you add all the total, the resultant will be the total number of pages in the book. So most of the students will get confused in this part. Just listen here. This will be the first day what he read, total number of pages what he read. Second day what they are saying is, usually in the second day also he will be reading 2x/5. From this pages, second day also he will be reading this same 2x/5, but additionally he is reading 1/3 more what he read on the first day. So 1/3 more at 1/3 what he read on the first day. First day is 2x/5. Out of this he is reading 1/3 more. So that's the reason I have found what is 1/3 what he read on the first day and adding with the second day work. So this will be the total number of pages that he read on the second day. And the third day 15 pages left. Got it? So let me find the value for all the three. Resultant will be the total number of pages of this book. Got it? So now I think this will be 2x/5. So plus, so this will be 4x, I think so. 4x. Sorry, no, not 4x, 2x/5. So this will be 2x/5. So plus 2x/15. So plus 15 is equals to x. Got it? So now let me take LCM as 15 here. So if you take LCM as 15, so this will be 4x/5, yes or no? Because 2x plus 2x will be 4x/5. So this will be 2x/15. So plus 15 is equals to x. So let me take LCM as 15. This will be 5 times 5 3s are 15. So this will be 12x. So this will be actually 15 here. So this will be 2x. So 15 into 15 will be 225 is equals to 15x. Got it? So now what we can do here is 12x plus 2x will be 14x. So 15x minus 14x will be x. So x is equals to 225. So finally we can say that the total number of pages in that book will be 225. So which will be the answer for this question. Understood? So very easy, and most of the students will write this and most of the students will write this, but many students will make the mistake in this area. So try to understand it how I wrote. Got it? So this will be the important step in this question. So finally answer for this question is total number of pages in the book will be 225. Question number 7. A man spent 1 by 3 of his income on food, 2 by 5 of his income on his house rent and 1 by 5 of the income on clothes. If he still have rupees 400 left with him, then the income is. So we don't know what is the income. So our target is to find what is the income of the man. So let me keep this income as X. So from this income, he is spending his amount for some purpose, that is for food and house rent and for the clothes. And after spending all those money, he still have 400 left with him. Our target is to find what was the man's salary. So see here, it is easy to write the equation. You can see this will be the total salary of the person. Minus of, why we are subtracting? Because he is spending from the income, that is how much? 1 by 3 of the income. So 1 by 3 of the income for food. So plus, got it? So similarly 2 by 5 of the income for our house rent and 1 by 5 for the clothes. So after he is spending all these money, he is still, how much amount he has in hand? 400 rupees. Got it? How I wrote this equation. So it is easy, right? From the total salary, he spent 1 by 3, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. So after subtracting it, he still have an amount in the hand, that is rupees 400. So our target is to find what is the income. So let me subtract all the values. Let me take X outside here. So 1 minus of, so this will be 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. So let me take 15 as LCM here. So 5 3s are 15. So this will be 5. 5 3s are 15, 6. So again 5 3s are 15, 3. So is equals to 400. So 6 plus 5 will be 11. So 11 plus 3 will be 14. So X into, so 15 minus 14. So divided by 15 is equals to 400. So this can be written as 1 by 15. So 400 by into 15 will be 6,000. So 6,000 will be the salary for that person. So income of the person will be 6,000. So out of this 6,000, he spent 1 by 3 on food, 2 by 5 on house rent and 1 by 5 on clothes. So if you find all those value and subtract with 6,000, you will get remaining 400 money with him. Got it? So finally answer for this question, the salary of the person will be 6,000. Last question. So in a class, 3 by 5 of the students are girls and the rest are boys. So if 2 by 9 of the girls and 1 by 4 of the boys are absent, then what part of total number of students are present? So see here friends, our target is to find what is the total number of parts that students are present in the classroom. But we don't know what is the strength of the classroom. So first what we can do is, the total number of students in the classroom is X. Let me assume this as X. Out of this X, 3 by 5 of the students are girls. So let me keep girls will be 3 by 5, yes. So 3 by 5x. So this will be girls. And what about boys? That they are saying that the remaining are boys. So remaining is nothing but from the total, if you subtract 3 by 5x. So x minus 3x by 5. So resultant will be 2x by 5. So 2x by 5 will be the total number of boys in the classroom. So similarly 3x by 5 will be the total number of girls in the classroom. So now according to the question, out of this 3x by 5, where 2 by 9 of the girls were absent. Got it? So let me find 3x by 5 out of this. So what is 2 by 9? So if you cancel it, 1 3s are 3. So 3 3s are 9. So resultant will be 2x by 15. So 2x by 15 is what? So 2x by 15 will be the total number of girls who are absent. Got it? So total number of strength of the classroom is 3x by 5. So out of this we have found 2 by 9 is what? Which is 2x by 15. So from the total number of girls, that is 3x by 5, where 2x by 15 of the girls were absent. So if you subtract it, the resultant will be the total number of girls who are present. Got it? So let me subtract this. See here. So similarly, according to the question, what? 1 by 4th of the boys were absent. So we know that 2x by 5 will be the total number of boys. Out of this boys, 1 by 4th of the boys were absent. So let me find 1 2s are 2. So resultant will be 2. So finally we can say that x divided by 10. So x divided by 10 will be the total number of boys who are absent. So now what is the target? Our target is to find the total number of students who are present in the classroom. So we have found the girls who are absent, boys who are absent, and we know the total strength of the class. Just subtract the value. So total strength of the class is x. Out of this total strength, where 2x by 15 of the girls were absent, similarly x by 10th of the boys are absent. So subtract it. So when you find the LCM will be 30 here, got it? So 30. So this will be 30x minus of 4x, and this will be 3x. So 30x minus 7x will be 27x. So we can say 27x divided by 30. So resultant will be 27 by 30. So we can say our target is not to find the value of x. Our target is to find how much part of students were present in the classroom. So we can say 27 by 30 part of students are present in the classroom. So which will be the answer for the last question. So friends, finally this will be the last video of this topic, number system. So again I am saying, start watching from lesson number 1. Always be strong on the basics, and then if you start preparing some of the tough level questions, it is easy to solve. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.